transferring Amazon gift card balance to your Paytm wallet. In this video, you are going to learn how to transfer Amazon gift card balance to your Paytm wallet. So let's get started. Suppose you have one of the Amazon gift card and now you want to add that Amazon gift card money into your Paytm wallet. So there is no direct way that you can do it. However, the thing that you can try is you can try flipping or reselling the Amazon gift card on the websites like Race Marketplace. As you can see the website in the mobile screen. Now here you can resell and buy gift cards. In my case, I do not have access to this website. But in your case, you just have to go to the website and you will be able to sell your Amazon gift card and get that money directly into your bank account. However, there is another easy method as well. You can just go to Amazon and type in the gift card like I'm doing, and after entering this, you can search for gift cards and there you go, you can see different type of gift cards available, which you can use to buy anything on Amazon. You just have to redeem your Amazon money and you will be able to buy different gift cards from here. That's all. That's pretty much simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe.